Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to introduce an 18-foot outdoor Christmas tree from HOYECHI, a professional manufacturer of holiday lighting. This tree is UV resistant and flame retardant, ensuring safety and durability. The included string lights meet strict safety standards, giving you peace of mind. One of the standout features of this Christmas tree is its foldable design, making it easy to install and transport. Plus, with our warehouse located in the USA, we can offer fast local delivery straight to your doorstep from the moment you place your order. It typically takes just 3-5 days for your tree to arrive. If you're interested in this stunning Christmas tree, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching and happy holidays!